Life is a journey full of ups and downs, twists and turns, and unexpected surprises. Along the way, we encounter challenges and obstacles that test our strength and resilience. But through it all, we have the power to choose how we respond to life's challenges. One of the most important lessons we can learn is the power of perspective. Our perspective shapes our reality and influences the way we experience the world. If we choose to see life through a negative lens, we will attract negativity and despair. But if we choose to see life through a positive lens, we will attract positivity and abundance. Another important lesson is the power of gratitude. No matter how difficult life may seem, there is always something to be grateful for. When we practice gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. We begin to see the beauty and abundance that surrounds us, and we feel a sense of contentment and peace. But perhaps the most important lesson of all is the power of love. Love is the force that connects us all, the glue that binds us together. It is the source of our greatest joys and deepest sorrows. When we choose to love, we open ourselves up to the possibility of true connection and intimacy. Love is not always easy. It requires vulnerability, courage, and a willingness to be hurt, but the rewards of love are immeasurable. Through love, we find meaning and purpose in life. We experience the joy of giving and receiving, of sharing our lives with others. In the end, life is a journey that is best approached with an open heart and a positive perspective. When we choose to see the world through the lens of love and gratitude, we unlock the full potential of our human experience. We connect with others in a deep and meaningful way, and we create a life that is full of joy and purpose.